Hello all. Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. Today in this video, we are going to see how our BCS Liner Insertion machines are successfully operating at our clients' locations across India. While anyone can promote their products, the real success is when our machines start to running in the client's place successfully. At Five Fingers Exports, we take pride in the fact that our BCS Liner Insertion machines are running successfully in multiple industries across India. From large-scale factories to medium enterprises, our machines are delivering high performance, reliability, and efficiency. But don't just take our word for it, let's take a closer look at our installations. You can see our presence in major locations all over India with more success rate and high production quantity. Whether it's south, north, east, or west of India, our machines are running at full capacity, helping businesses improve their production efficiency. Clients who once struggled with manual liner insertion are now experiencing a 3 times increase in productivity with our automated solutions. Why do businesses trust Five Fingers Exports for their BCS Liner Insertion machine needs? In-house manufacturing. At Five Fingers Exports, we take pride in our 100% in-house manufacturing process. From designing each machine part with precision, then manufacturing them with more accuracy and safety. Each and every part is quality checked before the assembly and stored for the next step of the process. This in-house approach allows us to maintain complete control over quality, faster production timelines, and unmatched reliability. Hassle-free dispatch. From safe packing to on-time delivery, we ensure a smooth experience for our customers. Excellent training and service. Our expert team provides complete machine installation at your place and gives you complete training about the machine for your better understanding. We also provide after-sales support for your future seamless operations. Customized demos tailored to your needs. At Five Fingers Exports, we provide customized demos based on our clients' specific bag sizes, ensuring they see the exact results they need. Unlike others who offer only standard-size demos, we prioritize flexibility and customer satisfaction with tailored demonstrations. Spare parts availability. We have a dedicated 24/7 spare parts store, ensuring quick and reliable access to genuine components whenever needed. Our separate facility is designed for efficient storage and production, ensuring seamless availability of essential parts. With this setup, we guarantee minimal downtime and maximum operational efficiency for your machinery. Our machines don't just perform, they prove their worth every day on the production floors of our clients across India. Our customer-first approach has helped us build lasting relationships, making us a trusted partner in the industry. So, if you're looking for a proven, high-performance solution, join the growing list of satisfied clients and experience the difference today. Contact us for more details. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.